Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking for something to make your life a little bit easier in the kitchen? Let me show you these Scotch-Brite scrubbing pads. This is a set of 3 and these are just a super versatile product to use in lots of different areas, whether it's in the garage or workshop or outside or in the kitchen. These little scrubbing pads are really great because they do an awesome job at quickly and effectively removing stuck on food and grime and dirt and whatever you're cleaning with. So I use these a lot in the kitchen for cleaning dishes, but you can use these for other cleaning jobs throughout the house as well, and they work really great. I like that they are non-scratch plastic, so you can actually use this with your non-stick cookware and things like that, and I just find that they are very effective at quickly just scrubbing away all the junk. So if you're looking for a little helping hand in the kitchen or for some other cleaning project, definitely check out these little Scotch-Brite scrubber pads. I really like them, and that's my point of view.